my breeding season 2014. I've got my Gloucester hen with my goldfinch cock. She currently has, she has 2 eggs in the nest. Hopefully I got some mules for this year. I also have just empty cage. I got my Raza cock, Raza cock with my orange hen. Currently sitting on 1 baby and 2 eggs. That's her second round this year. I've also got my orange mosaic hen and my red factor cock. Only put them in today, so he's starting to feed her already, so shouldn't be too long now. And the 3 babies from the Raza cock and the orange hen. One has a little black mark on his face. If you lot have any suggestions to how I could improve my breeding season for this year, they're always welcome. Please comment and like too. Many thanks. Cheers. Bye.